Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Guys, I am Ashfaq Sen speaking from Punjab, Pakistan, and today it was a much awaited day for us because we were waiting for this heavy rain, and the last night it rained quite heavily, and now we are in a superlative degree of hope, especially for the gram crop, and obviously we also grow the wheat crop on a without tube well. We were dependent on the rain, and now we hope that the wheat crop will grow healthy. So now let's see, because we have to wait for next 3 months. So we are more than happy today. So let's walk around for a while here, and then we will ride back home. I come here especially to make this video for you guys. I hope you will like and subscribe this channel, and let's walk around. So here we go guys. This year I am not providing any water from the tube well. As you can see, there is no way where you can see that I have dig down, but this year we are only dependent on the rain, and this night and the last night it rained quite heavily. So I am really hopeful that this crop especially, which is a gram crop and the wheat crop as well, so both crops are grown parallel. So we hope we will get quite a good amount of quantity of crop from this 10 canals of field area. So the trees are also healthy now because they have been provided with the rain, and that is really amazing weather today as well. And I cannot describe the feelings that I am present here at this time of the day. Early at the morning, you can say, for me, although I am late, but I can say still I am early here. No one here with me. I'm alone here with my bike. That's standing over there, Honda 1997 model. I like and love this bike. Kept this for a long time. Still it is with me. My childhood passion, or you can say my 20s passion. I used to ride this bike very passionately and eagerly in like a sport manner, but now I ride it very slowly to be careful not to fall down. So that's it. I hope you're gonna like guys it. I like to ride the bike off-road, but especially when it rains, and just after the rain I really love to ride because it feels like I am riding on a paved road. Today as well, because last night it rained and it feels like it is a paved road for me, so I can describe it, but you can't imagine. Let's ride. So you can see that I am feeling quite relaxed because as I described you, the road is really smooth for me. I can ride the whole journey without with one hand. That's amazing. That's it. Goodbye guys. Allah Hafiz for the next video.